Welcome to our full body cardio fat burning series. Make sure you're nice and warmed up before we get started, so we're gonna go straight into our workout. The first exercise is called Goddess to Surrender. So you're gonna start up on your knees. Remember, 30 seconds of each movement today. You're gonna come up on one foot, come up on the other, into a low squat, and back down. You can put your hands here, so like you're looking just like a goddess, right? And back down. So we're starting off with one foot, because we're gonna go to the other side a little bit later. Breathe, sit nice and low, keep those abs tight. So I'm on my left foot, starting. Okay, let's do one more. Awesome job. Okay, next exercise, go ahead and step it out. We're gonna go into our prisoner waddle. So we're gonna sit like a prisoner, hands behind your head. You're just gonna pick one foot up, other foot up, and you're gonna waddle side to side. Abs are tight, back is straight, sitting nice and low. The lower you sit, the more you work those glute and thighs. Breathe. Waddle, waddle, waddle. We're gonna go right back into that Goddess to Surrender on the other side. So you're gonna feel this burn right away today. Few more. Breathe it out. Sit low, stay low, and back on your knees. Here we go. 30 seconds, other foot. So I'm starting with my right. You might be starting with your left, whatever foot you didn't do last time. Breathe. Feeling those legs burning. Couple more. Okay, last one. Awesome job, you guys. All right, we're gonna go right into that next exercise, which is our V shuffle with a touch on the ground. Now, if you want to put something to mark your V, you can. If not, just make sure you kind of change directions in your body as you shuffle, okay? Shuffle, shuffle, tap. Shuffle, 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 tap. Shuffle, 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 tap. Good, get nice and low when you touch the ground. That's the key here. The shuffling gets your heart rate up, the change of direction throws off that muscle confusion to make you work a little harder. Awesome job. Keeping up that cardio, we're gonna go right into speed bag. So start jogging it out and put those arms up and punch that bag. Abs are tight. You can move side to side, whatever you want, 30 seconds. Punch it out, jump, jump, jump. Work that upper body. Breathe, breathe. Heart rate is going, guys. Cardio fat burning here. Full body workout. Last few seconds. Awesome. And walk it out. All right, working those legs again. Sitting nice and low into our frog jumps. And we're gonna do little jumps. Little jumps, sitting low, arms come down. Here we go, 1, 2, 30 seconds. You got that form? Sit low, jump it out. Sit low, jump it out. Lots of plyo today, lots of cardio. Almost there, burn it out. 4, 3, 2, nice. Walk it out. Football shuffle into a hike. Getting some athletic training in there today. All right? So we're gonna shuffle, 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 reach down and hike. Shuffle, 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 reach down and hike. Shuffle, 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 reach down and hike. Breathe. Pick those feet up the ground. Shuffle, 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 and hike. Shuffle, 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 and hike. 30 seconds. Almost there. Shuffle, 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 and hike. Awesome. Shuffle, 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 and hike. Last one. Awesome job. All right, we're gonna move into our upper body strength. We're gonna go ahead and grab our mats, lay it down, get ready for some push-ups. All right, so we got our mats and we're gonna go into our dolphin push-ups. So we're doing a couple different varieties of push-ups today. So you're gonna start off in a plank position. You're gonna go into a pike. Okay, and then we're gonna go drop our hips and we're gonna go right down into a narrow push-up. Push up and push those hips back. Good. Remember, 30 seconds, just do the best that you can, building that strength. And if you want to make it a little harder, you guys, we can go ahead and go into one arm, okay? Looks like this. We're gonna lower down, up, and hips come up. Good. And lower down, up. Good. All right, last one. Awesome job. All right, we're gonna go into our next set of push-ups, which is twisted push-ups. So we're gonna bring our hands up to push-up position. We're gonna bring one leg across and we're gonna push down and up, and we're gonna alternate. Good. Down and up. Love these. Great on the core. Great for that upper body strength. And plank and twist. Good. So you're really twisting that waistline, pushing down. Awesome job. Last couple. Good. And awesome job. All right, done with our push-ups. Going into our core, ending out our workout for today. We're gonna go into a boat position. I need your lower back down the ground, legs pointed out in front of you, and we're going to side tap. Here we go, 30 seconds. I really want you to make sure you tap that ground. Keep those legs and those feet tight together. Breathe, breathe, tap, 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 tap. Almost there. Nice, you guys. And release. All right, second ab exercise. Going into our boat again. You're gonna come up, legs straight. You're gonna bring those arms around and clap. And up. And clap. Boat, hollow man, clap. Tuck it up. Here we go. Last few, here we go. These ones are hard. Two more, you got it. And release. Ending out with some cardio. Going into a plank. We're gonna jump those feet into our chest, jack it out. Each feet's gonna go on the side of the mat and back in. Plank position. You're gonna knee tuck it in, out, jumping jack. 30 seconds, last one, here we go. In, out, jack. In, out, jack. Stay in that plank. You can pick it up or you can go slow. 30 seconds, last exercise. Feel that burn. And we are done. Great job today, you guys. Thank you for joining GymRa. Full body cardio fat burning blast. See you next time.
I want to invite you to join one of 50 free workout programs at GymRa.com. You're never going to get bored and you'll have enough workouts to keep you busy for years to come. I know that's exciting. You'll never hit that workout plateau. Let me show you a little bit about what you can expect. When you sign up for a free account on GymRa.com, you'll be asked whether you'd like to be assigned a program based on several basic questions about your fitness level and goals. If you'd rather browse the programs and weigh your options, click on No, I do not want any programs. Head to the Programs tab and scroll to find a program that fits your needs. As you can see, we cover everything from weight loss to toning and sculpting, yoga, Pilates, abs, lower body, upper body, we have it all. Now let me show you how the programs work. If you've chosen to be on a program, when you log into GymRa.com, you'll be directed to the My Program page featuring your workout of the day. All you have to do is press play and start exercising. To see details about the workout, click on More Info. The animated GIFs below are the individual moves in the routine. Here you can see your workout at a glance. You also have access to your personalized weekly and monthly calendar. You can change your program by clicking on the Change Program button. Simply click on See All, then select your desired program. Watch the introduction video and check out the details by scrolling down the page. If the program looks like a good fit for you, then simply click on Switch to this program and you're all set. Your new program will start automatically. If you're unable to do the workout, save it for later by clicking on the plus button next to the title. This adds it to my list. I want to thank you for choosing GymRa. I know you have a lot of options. We've spent so much time and effort here to bring you world-class trainers, a huge variety of workouts, and it's all for free. So thanks again for joining me. I hope you enjoy the free workout programs, and we'll see you soon.